On January 15, 1919, Boston's North End experienced one of the most peculiar disasters in history, the Great Molasses Flood. A massive storage tank containing over 2.3 million gallons of molasses burst, sending a 25-foot wave of sticky syrup through the streets at 35 miles per hour. The sheer force of the wave caused buildings to collapse and swept away anything in its path. Tragically, 21 people lost their lives and 150 were injured. Cleanup efforts took weeks, and the event led to significant changes in building safety regulations. This bizarre and tragic incident remains a testament to the unexpected power of everyday substances.